Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.